In this project spotlight, we are looking at the renovation of a historic building in downtown Franklin, Indiana, which is operated by the Upstairs Basement. The Upstairs Basement is a unique boutique full of antiques, collectibles, and interesting home decor items. However, the existing shingle roof was old, dull, and in need of replacement. Cornet Roofing was selected to replace the roof, installing batten bars and our metal shake roofing system in our leather color on the building. The final result is a truly stunning transformation that adds to the charm and curb appeal of the business while offering decades of waterproofing protection. If you are looking to transform your home or business, call the experts at Cornet Roofing Systems today. Give us a call at 888-848-7663 or visit our website at www.cornetroofing.com.